Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're doing well and having a great Tuesday. Well, it's day 16 in the seed propagators and it's going to be a busy day. We've got a lot of transplanting and uppotting to do. Let's have a quick check in the seed propagators and then we're going to get everything transplanted over and then uppotted, and I'll do a little final part of the video, show you everything once it's all moved into its next stage of its homes before they go into bigger pots and then all the way up potted into the 5 litre grow bags. So here we go. Seed tray 1. Sugar Rush Peach Stripies. I think that one's not, I don't know, we shall see. These are great, they're coming out today, as are these. Really nice, quite leggy, but they're coming out today. Ghost, I think we're going to leave until, give them one more day. No, actually these are coming out. This tray and this tray. And I'm going to leave this one for a little bit until this guy gets a bit bigger. These Reapers are staying. Habanero's staying. Because they're looking good. I do want to get that Reaper out, and I think I will. Just because this one's going so slow. We'll get him out and get him up potted. This one is a little bit longer. And then the Zimbabwe Blacks. Look at the true leaves to the seed leaves. Purple to green. They're going to be great plants. They are coming out today. Let's move on to tray 2. Okay, tray 2. We've got the Tabascos. Very different in sizes, but that cell is going to come out today. This one will keep for a day or two more. Jalapeno. Nothing there. Now, as leggy as he is, both of these are coming out today. We'll just see what happens. Buena Mulata. Yep. Lovely, lovely markings. Look at that. It's going to be such a beautiful plant. So it's coming out today, and I think that one's going to have to go. We'll leave that one longer. That Tabasco's going to be longer. Buena Mulata needs some more time. This Dreamcatcher, one more day I think to get its second true leaf in. But these, look at these. They have to come out today, but I just can't get over how beautiful these look. Awesome. And these other dream catchers, let's give them one more day, let these true leaves get a little bit bigger. Scotch bonnet, a few more days I think. And then the Scotch bonnet MOAs have got to come out ASAP. Right, tray 3. Okay, tray 3. Look at these Armageddons. This tray, I think one more day. Might take that solar one out and repot that one. These two, perfect. Gotta come out today. The Zabrangi now, so different. Both are quite leggy. But let's give them a try. There's enough true leaves. I think I'm going to get them out today. These have got 3 in, which is not good. But they're all doing okay. I think just maybe split them up, give them single cells. These need a bit more time, as do those. Ahi Pineapple. Doesn't look like anything's going to come through. You never know. Large Orange Tie. Now we got 3 in here, but they've got to come out. That one I think unfortunately was just a bit too slow to make it. Keep that one going. And that one's ready. Let's do a bit more time on that one. I'm not sure what's happened there. And then these. Missing one true leaf, I think. Yeah. Okay, tray 4. Okay, tray 4. Sweet Banana is coming out today. Looking great. The Poblano has got to come out. That one for sure. There is another one hooking in the 3rd. Black Jalapeno, they need a bit more time. I'm hoping they come through and they're just being a bit of a late starter, but who knows. Cayennes have got to come out today, my goodness. And then the final tray of Scotch Bonnet MOA, they need a bit more time. And it looks like we've got a new one coming up through there. Crazy, crazy stuff. Let's go up to the boiler room and get a look at the other plants we've potted, and then I'm going to get these out of the seed propagators and into some bigger cups. Okay, here we are. And a little reminder that we've got some poblanos there. Sorry, padrones are there. Kashmiri murches are at the back. And then we've got the cayennes. So everything's set for the moment. Let's get Armageddons, cayennes, Dreamcatchers. Let's get them all up potted right now. Alright kid, let's show the up pots. So, just do plastic clear cup so we can see the root system and make sure it doesn't get too far down. Yep, just fill the cup. Make some drainage holes in the bottom, most important. Or even drainage cracks like what I did there. Get it ready, and then a few stones in the one that hasn't been popped. And there you have it. That sorts the drainage out. Let's get these seedlings transferred over. So we need to grab more soil. I got 3 of these 60-litre multi-purpose compost bags. Could add a bit of the chili fert organic nutrients to it. Yeah, $18.99 for 3 lots of the 60-litre bags. So it's a very good deal on Amazon. If you just give them a search, I found that was the cheapest option, and I'm probably going to need to order a few more sets of 3. Let's fill it up, get it filled with nutrients if it isn't already, and we'll transplant these seedlings to bigger pots. Okay, a lot has changed. So we're down to the full tray here that still needs some work. Those are due very soon to come out. Just need to take those, let those black jalapenos go a bit more, but everything else we've up potted on their own. I'm going to need to adjust them because, as you can see at the back there, they're not going to be getting enough direct light. Get another light or just adjust them around through the day. But let's see what happens. They're all at different stages. Some have bigger true leaves than others. Just want to see what's working and what's not. But yeah, there we go. We'll have some more available tomorrow. Some more switchovers, transplants, up potting. So I want to thank you all, as always, for joining us today and watching this. Your viewing time is very precious, and I appreciate you spending it with us. Take care of yourself, look after me, myself and I. No one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Thank you all so much, and we'll see you all tomorrow.